Hello everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Vincent. Today I am going to show you how to create a super slow-mo clip from a 60 FPS or a 24 FPS clip using Optical Flow that is built in Final Cut and in Premiere Pro as well. So it's very easy to do. Let me show you how it's done and let's get into it. So now I'm in the computer, and as you can see I have three different clips on the timeline. The first one is me orbiting around the drone, the second one is me going through a bush, and the third one is a small wave hitting the shore. And as you can see on the third one there is a lot of particles and textures in the waves, so it's going to be very hard for the computer to actually animate this, because what this optical flow thing does is pretty much analyzing this whole clip and then deciding where it can put like extra frames between two. So it's like generating extra frames to create a slow motion effect. So let me show you how to do it. It's very straightforward, and yeah. So first of all you have to hit Ctrl, Option and R to get the custom speed menu, and then you can set it to 20% in this case, or whatever percent you want, but just make sure that it's not like an insane number, because the computer can't do like everything for you. So if that's a very stable clip, then it might be able to do like 10% slow motion, but in this case I'm going to go for 20%, because that's the equivalent of slowing down a 120 FPS clip to a 24 FPS clip. But in this case I only have a 60 FPS clip, so it's still gonna do a lot of work for me. So I'm gonna hit 20 and then hit return, and as you can see it is slowing down to 20 FPS, but it's very choppy. So what you're gonna do is highlight this clip and then hit this small clock button, and then go to video quality and set it to optical flow. Now it's going to analyze the whole video clip, and then it's going to generate those extra frames. As you can see, it's already done. You can see that now it's absolutely gorgeous looking slow motion. I think it looks awesome. It's also a very smooth shot, so the computer's job was a little bit easier, but let's move on to the second one and do the same thing. So again, I'm gonna hit the clock button, optical flow, let's click it, let the computer analyze the picture and see the results. So it's already done, and let's check it out. So in this case it was a little bit harder for the computer to slow it down because there are a lot more textures, but I think most people still won't be able to tell that this is not like a clip that was shot in 120 frames per second. So let's move on to the last clip. 20%, hit the clock button, video quality, optical flow, let the computer analyze, and let's see the results. I am so pumped because this wave clip looks insane already, so it's gonna look so good in slow motion. And it's done, so let's check it out, guys. Look at that. I mean, yeah, you can see a little bit of like weirdness in the waves, but I think most people still won't be able to tell this, and if I didn't know that this was created with optical flow, I think I wouldn't be able to tell that this is not a 120 FPS clip. Anyways, that's it for me today, guys. This is what I was able to create with this technique. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button, it means a lot, and also subscribe to my channel because I really want to reach 750 subscribers by the end of this summer, and for that I need your help. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye!